Good day everyone. So in this video, I'm gonna share you the quick way to remove the CapCut Pro feature error while doing the export or rendering the video. So all you need to do here, you can prepare the video that you have done the editing and use the several feature or effect or sticker from this CapCut. And after that, you can go to this menu and go to the setting. And after that, go to this performance. And if you see the speed up hardware encoding is enabled or activated, now you start to inactivate or disable it. Why? Because this hardware encoding can sometimes cause the technical conflict or issue that the app incorrectly identifies as a pro feature restriction. So after you do the disabling or disable this speed up hardware encoding, then you can click the save here, and now we can start to render or export your video. So that's how you remove this CapCut Pro feature error while doing the export or rendering. I hope this video finds you helpful. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.